These drivers are given the 1 to go. It's going to be green this time by flagman Kevin. Your front row is Baldwin and Dim. Baldwin and Dim side by side heading in at turn 1. Dim clears them off in one of the big slide jobs. Wyatt Justice around the outside. Baldwin back to 4th. Brame up to 3rd. Brame looking to the inside of Justice for that 2nd spot. Owen Dim leads lap number 1. Side by side between Brame and Justice. That's for the 2nd spot. We got 3. 25 to 360 in turn 2. That's a no-no, but we're going to keep it green. Dim has extended his advantage to just over a second. Over 25 of Wyatt Justice. That's cross flag. 3 down, 3 to go in the Hellraiser Jack's dash. Wyatt Justice still in that 2nd spot. Got a 3-car gaggle for 3rd. Baldwin ripping that outside lane like he did here back in May. He's around the 44 downtown Brown. Starting to work back around the 44 Brame. Dylan Baldwin back up to 3rd. Let's see if he gets that 3rd spot this lap. It's 1 more lap to go for Owen Dim. Baldwin chasing down his buddy with Justice for 2nd. Will it be enough? Owen Dim wins the Hellraiser Jack's dash. 2nd's going to be Wyatt Justice. 3rd, Dylan Baldwin. 4th, John Brame. 5th, Dave Brown. 6th is going to be Jaden Bowling. 7th, Jeff Weaver. And 8th is going to be Dustin Young. All these drivers are going to go across the scales, and pending the scales, Owen Dim will be the pole sitter for tonight's 30-lap, $4,000 to win inaugural Cowboy Classic in memory of our great friend Sean Vardell. Next up, we got the Dirt Rich TV B-Main.